Okay, so here we are with the Aussie US dollar then. Open the daily and see what we've got. We've got, as we saw on the Aussie index, we've got fresh highs being made. The fresh highs were the 94 level, and we've pushed on through here pretty convincingly in the Aussie US dollar. So in terms of understanding the market condition, we're trending up, making new highs, so we should be buying or doing nothing in the macro picture. Our structural long, well, we're in clean air above here. So for our structural long, we're going to take the 96.13, which is a fresh high. It's the high of last week, and it happens to be Friday's high. So that's effectively our structural long, the 96.13. Our structural short is, I've chosen the structural short to be the 93.29. Just change the colour of this to red. The 93.29 okay, 93.29 is this area here, and it's this low which pretty much represented a structure that gave the start of this massive decline. So it's the high here, a little structure here, 93.29, and basically these two highs that represent the middle, of a tight price range of these two high points here. Okay. So by picking out a structural short in such a strong currency pair is a bit of a job, but this is that's what I'm selecting for that reason. So you can see these highs here, rather than these two highs. The structural short of 93.29. The long point, the short-term long point is obviously going to be the same as the structural long. The structural long and the long point are going to be the same because it's fresh. So last week's high is the long point, 96.13. The short point, if we go to the 200 tick, the short point, rather than going down to these like one-day lows, obviously we're not really looking to be short this. So I'm going to say the short point to be the 95.60 3-day low, because, and this is if we don't trade up from Tokyo, okay? Because this little point here is a failure to make a new high, which renders this a very short-term structure, okay? So as a bit of a cheeky short, really, the 95.60 is going to be your short-term short point. Your long stop is going to be the 95.68, which is this. It's this little structure here. And your short stop is going to be the one-day high, which is 95.75. So I'm getting some. I've taken some very close stops around here, but the reason being is that really our priority is to take the long side of this, and we want to take the long at the 96.13. So it's the structural long and the short-term long point. Okay. Okay, that is the Aussie US dollar. So I don't think we're in any one second. We all know what we need to do here anyway. We want to be on the buy side.